This is stainless, so we're going to automatically see some sugaring going on right now, and right there you can see it on that back side. That's because I'm just welding against air, nothing to shield that molten metal, and those chromic oxides are just acting up. And that is very typical with stainless. Carbon steel would go a lot better, but I'm going to finish this one out here just to show you what a mess it's going to be. Let me just speed this up quite a bit so we can get to the end and you can see the back side. Front side doesn't look too bad. It's filled up. It's relatively even. I had to put a lot of heat on it because when a stainless weld draws in oxides, it requires more heat just to flow the metal. But that looks like crap. And if you were to sand it off, you wouldn't have solid metal. It's just a bad job. Now we're going to clamp some backing to it. Now you can use aluminum here. Copper works even better, but aluminum is generally easier to come by. I've got it clamped directly to it. And what it does, it pulls heat out, but it also traps argon on the back side. It's going a lot faster here. And you can see I had to put a lot less heat in there than the first one. We'll flip it over. What a difference. Big difference between those two. And that brings me to a little tool called a copper spoon. It used to be the best deal going at Harbor Freight. You could get them for about 10 bucks. I haven't seen one in years there, but you can still get them on Amazon. They've gone up to 20-something dollars. Still a very useful tool. The copper on these is roughly about 100 thousandths to 1/8 of an inch thick. And you can use it for filling holes, and you can use it for a whole lot more stuff than that. But the copper really does a great job on backing for stainless steel as well as carbon. And I'll speed this up a ton too just to get to the end there.